On today's menu, a recipe that's over the moon delicious. A festive Lunar New Year inspired fried rice. Lei Ho Ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. And Gung Hei Fat Choy, that's Happy Lunar New Year. I'm so glad and thrilled to have you join in today's episode because we'll be making one of my childhood favorites, which is fried rice with a little bit of a variation. Let's begin. Half a red onion, diced. Two pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Three sticks of green onion, chopped. Half a carrot, diced. For making fried rice, it's ideal to chop the veggies into small but even pieces. 60 grams of broccolini, chopped. Four spears of baby corn, chopped. These guys here are some dried shiitake mushrooms I've rehydrated in some hot water for about 30 minutes or so. You can also boil them for a few minutes if you're a little bit short on time. These particular mushrooms I do remove the stalks on because unlike the fresh shiitake mushrooms, these stalks are a little bit tough and not that pleasant to eat. But the dry shiitake mushrooms give this really nice kind of chewy texture. You can also, of course, use any type of fresh mushrooms in lieu of these ones. Squeeze out the liquid from the shiitake mushrooms. Very carefully remove the stalks. Chop the shiitake mushrooms into small cubes. Pat dry about 70 grams of extra firm tofu with a paper towel. Slice the tofu into small bite-sized strips. This will give a little contrast to the other veggie shapes. It's ideal to use leftover rice. Essentially, this is jasmine rice I steamed yesterday, allowed it to cool, placed in a container and in the fridge overnight. This allows the rice to get rid of a lot of that excess moisture and will fry a lot better. About half a tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, splash of toasted sesame oil. Of course, to make it Yeung Man Cooking complete, we're going to use some delicious, spicy, smoky chili oil I made in a previous episode. Really easy to make this at home for yourself, so I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check that out. Also, if you love easy and delicious recipes like me, then check out one of the 3 Yeung Man Cooking cookbooks. You can take a sneak peek or grab your copy. I'll leave another link in the description box below, or you can visit YoungManCooking.com. You can also check out the Yeung Man Cooking merch or plant-based sushi masterclass. Now, let's get cooking. Non-stick pan, medium heat, 2 tablespoons chili oil, tofu, red onions, saute for a couple of minutes. Garlic, carrots, and broccolini. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Baby corn, green onions, and shiitake mushrooms. Saute for a couple of minutes. One cup overnight rice. Sauce. Saute for a couple more minutes. The fried rice should look deliciously charred and glossy. Plate the rice generously. Sprinkle over some white sesame seeds. Might sound absolutely bonkers, but we want to top this fried rice with some delicious ruby red pomegranate seeds. The pomegranate seeds will add this nice sweetness and yet a hint of bitterness, a little crunchy texture as well. The ruby red color is very symbolic for Lunar New Year that represents fortune and prosperity. You can now enjoy this delicious variation with absolute confidence. This looks absolutely festive and delicious. Man, that is just an explosion of different flavors and textures. For today's episode, it was important to have an abundance of different beautiful pops of color. You get the green, the orange, the yellow from the corn, and of course that beautiful ruby red color from the pomegranate seeds. The extra firm tofu has that nice chewy texture and that nice sear, and the little bits of shiitake mushrooms add this delicious umami and this chewy texture. The green onions, the broccolini, the carrots just add this nice freshness that goes so well in contrast to the earthiness and that salty umami from the fried rice. Then you have this additional surprising flavor of that sweet pomegranate seeds that definitely seems very odd, but the sweetness goes so well with the savoriness of the fried rice. The chili oil and the toasted sesame oil really rings through with that smoky, spicy, truly aromatic lift. It's just such a nice range of dynamic flavors, textures, so simple to put together, and it's addictive recipes like this that makes it so fun to cook at home. What a simple yet extraordinary recipe. And if you love easy and delicious recipes like that, then definitely pick up your copy or take a peek inside one of the 3 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Or of course, check out the Young Man Cooking merch or plant-based sushi masterclass. You can also visit youngmancooking.com. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, definitely do so. And I'll see you in the next episode.